Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to unboxing this product. This product called Ultrahuman Ring Air. It's a fitness tracking device. And guys, this is lightest fitness tracking device in the world. So I bought it from Excital Gan in Kuwait. So let's see what's come inside. When we open the box, we will find another white box which is contain the ring. So we will keep aside this box and we will see this box, very nice, beautifully white color with the picture of the ring which we are going to wear today. We have a lot of information in the back side of the brand about branding, about manufacturing, size, color, whatever information required for a device, it's available here. So let's open the device, guys. Wow, as you can see, we have matte gray ring here. So you can see the ring. So we will keep aside a ring. We will see what come more with the box. As you open the box, you can see there is hello message. So there is some documents here inside. It's like a catalog. Yeah, it's a catalog informative. Okay, we will keep aside this one. Wow, there is something else. This is a charger, wireless charger, which they are claiming that you can charge your ring on the wireless charger. So we have to connect it with the wire and we can charge it easily. So we see the wire quality here also. Yeah, it's a very good quality of wire. It's coated by woven material, I think. Yeah, it's a very nice quality wire. So now what we are going to do, we will put in the charge and let's wear it. So this is on hand experience. I ordered a matte gray. It looks very nice on me. I already charged this 1.5 hours it took to charge first time, and then you can pair with your device, Ultrahuman application. All detail available in the catalog with the box. Hey guys, I hope you like the video, you like the product. If you want to buy this product, go to Excite website or link available below. This is all for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.